Hi my friends. Do you want to center your Windows 10 icons to look like that of Windows 11? Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it on step by step. But before, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out any new video. Okay. Here, right-click on the taskbar and then select Lock the taskbar. Again, right-click. Select Search. And then click on Show Search icon. Again, right-click. Toolbars. Click on Links. Now here down, move this links to this side. Again, move this to the center. Now right-click here and then select Show Title. Right-click on the taskbar and select Lock Taskbar. Good, now you see I have centered the icons. So thank you for watching. And please consider to subscribe for more. Have a nice time.